I've been exploring the Muscle Monster app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Muscle Monster app. Muscle Monster is a feature-rich workout planner app essentially designed to help you reach your fitness goals, whether you're aiming for fat loss, muscle gain, or just staying active. The app stands out for its personalized workout plans powered by AI, adapting routines to your fitness level, goals, and available equipment. You can choose from a huge library of over 1,200 exercises and 500-plus workouts, covering everything from calisthenics and bodyweight routines to dumbbells, barbells, resistance bands, and gym machines. This makes it suitable for both home and gym training and for users at any experience level, from beginners to advanced athletes. Muscle Monster offers clear video tutorials and expert guidance for each exercise, ensuring you maintain proper form and get the most out of every session. The app's progress tracking is robust. It logs your workout duration, calories burned, weights lifted, and provides detailed weekly and monthly reports. This helps you visualize your improvements and stay motivated over time. A standout feature is the integration with Apple Health and Apple Watch. You can track your workouts in real time and sync all your fitness data for a complete view of your activity. The app also includes a free weight tracking tool and a training calendar to help you plan and stick to your schedule. For those who want to try before committing, there's a 7-day free trial that unlocks all premium features. Additionally, Muscle Monster's intuitive interface and AI-driven suggestions make it easy to build routines, whether you're focused on strength, flexibility, or endurance. The app adapts as you log more workouts, refining its recommendations to better suit your progress and preferences. While most features require a subscription, users praise its value, especially with the variety of workouts, personalized plans, and effective tracking tools. If you're looking for a comprehensive, customizable, and motivating fitness app, Muscle Monster is a strong contender to guide you through your fitness journey and help you see real results. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.